Welcome to Cooking with Chef V, and today we're going to make some kale chips. Yeah, you heard it. So listen, you guys can either make it in the air fryer or the oven. Today I'm going to make it in the oven. It's a great, healthy snack. Don't mind my nieces in the back. I watch them every morning. But anywho, so listen, it's a great, healthy snack. You guys will enjoy the crispiness of the kale. It's way better than actually boiling it in water or steaming it. I like fried kale, oven baked, air fried. I'm telling you, you guys are going to enjoy this recipe. So please let me know in the description, what are some of your healthy snacks that you eat on a daily basis? So here's our kale. You guys want to make sure that you wash your kale and dry it off. Y'all ready? Let's try this delicious, healthy snack. Okay, so I'm only preparing for I'm the only one gonna eat this, so I'm not gonna make a whole bunch of this. But I may give my nieces some, allow them to test it as well. But yeah, depending on how much you want to make, you know, you can get more bunches, but I'm just going to make just this one bunch here. So we're going to wash and dry our kale. Then we're going to pick it off of the stem. You guys see the stem on there? So let's pick it off the stem. And you're going to get you a baking sheet. I don't know if you're going to use your air fryer or baking sheet, but in this case, I'm going to use the baking sheet for this method. So you just want to pick the kale off of the stem. Just like that, easy. I'm telling you guys, this recipe is going to be bomb. It's something quick and easy. You ain't got to worry about a lot of cleanup, grease splattering all over the place. Vegans can eat this. If you know, still a meat eater, still love regular chips, you would definitely enjoy this recipe. So what I want you guys to do right now is go and subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Chef V. Invite someone. Let them know that V is cooking in the kitchen. So for those of you who are just tuning in, I am making some kale chips. You heard it right. Kale chips. Look at that. So we're just going to make some kale chips. Okay, if you guys have like some big chunks, I don't know how you like your chunks, but I like some of them big. So not gonna break them all down too much because I want some huge chips. I really want to taste that kale. So you're gonna get your sheet pan and you're just gonna make sure that everything is like spread out evenly, just like that. See? Okay. And then we're gonna get our oil. You want to get some olive oil or some avocado oil, and you're just going to cover your kale in the oil just like that. Make sure you get every piece. Now listen, if you don't like the oven method, you guys can use, if you don't like the oven method, then you can do the air fryer, which only takes 7 minutes. So I'm going to use some garlic and onion spice blend. You guys see that? Make sure you see that. And I'm just going to sprinkle just a tad bit on top of our kale. This is going to be so delicious, you guys. So delicious. Now, if you want to add salt and pepper to it, you can, but I'm just going to try it this way. And then I have some ranch. I'm going to put some ranch seasoning on that to give it a little kick. This is optional. It's up to you. Now, if you want to use some salt and pepper, you can for taste. But I'm gonna see how it tastes without the salt and pepper. Now, if I need some salt and pepper afterwards, then I'm gonna add the salt and pepper. But right now, I'm gonna make sure this kale is covered, so you guys can see. Now we're gonna place this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. I forgot to tell you guys to preheat your oven to 350, between 350 and 180 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna place that in the oven and let's cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. I just wanna thank all my followers from tuning in and watching Cooking with Chef V. If you haven't had a chance to, go ahead and like this video, share the content with your friends and family, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification, and let the people know you are here cooking with Chef V. And for those of you that like healthy snacks and like the content that I'm making, I want you guys to drop in the comment section, what are some of the healthy snacks that you enjoy eating on a daily basis? And also you can suggest some snacks or a dish and I can make it for you. So with that being said, let's go and check on our kale. So I have taken it out the oven. Listen, you guys, so I had to allow it to stay probably a little bit longer. So I'll say cook it between 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on how crispy you want it. This is the crispiest I got it, because you want to make sure it dries it completely out. The pan is still kind of hot, but you guys can see it is pretty crispy. So let's taste it and see how it tastes. Okay, so let's try them. Look at it. This is delicious. And you know what? I didn't need any salt with this. So just the onion and garlic spice together with the ranch dressing was very delicious. So let's try it. It has a crunch to it. It has that dill flavor inside of the ranch seasoning. Oh my God. Listen, this is amazing. This is amazing. I want you guys to try this recipe. I'm telling you, it's very delicious. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section after you make it, and tell me what you like most about it when you tried it. All right, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for tuning in. We're cooking with Chef V.